Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce PDF file size. Simply at first open your any browser. Like I'm open my Chrome browser, I'm not using any software. It's totally free and 100% safe. Go to search option, search set to reduce PDF size. Okay, when you search this title, then you get more result. You just go to I love PDF, compress PDF online. Just open this, select PDF file. It's no need to log in or sign up, it's totally free. Press on to open your any PDF file. Like I'm select, press on open. Okay, open my PDF file. Click on to compress PDF. Okay, alright, as you can see my previous PDF file size 1.05 MB and it's convert to 89.56 KB, and automatically download this and reopen this, or press on to download compressed PDF. So that's it.